Hello, students. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the rest and motion and scalar quantities, vector quantities. In this lecture, we will discuss about an important term, that is distance and displacement. What is distance and what is displacement? We will discuss distance and displacement. The total path covered by the body. The total path covered by the body is called distance. Total path covered by the body is called distance. The shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of the body is called displacement. This is the first difference between distance and displacement. Other difference, distance is a scalar quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity. And displacement is a vector quantity. Distance can be added algebraically, but displacement cannot be added algebraically. It can be added algebraically. It can't be added algebraically. Distance is always positive. Distance is always positive. But displacement may be positive or zero or negative. That means it may be any integer. It is always positive integer. These are main four difference between distance and displacement. Now we will discuss about some aspects of distance and displacement. Numerically, we will discuss it. Let us suppose a body starts from A and another destination is B. It covers the path A to B through C. Let it be 2.5 kilometers. Another body starts from A through D. It reaches to the B. This is 3 kilometers. and another body start from A and reach at B through the path E, which is 2 kilometers. One path is A to B through C, other path is A to B through D, and last path is A to B through E. And this is the shortest path between A and B. Here, distance are different, and this is the displacement. Displacement only one, but distance may be varied. So displacement is A to B. Displacement is A to B. It's 2 kilometers. But distance A to B through C, through D, through E, this vary. Distance may be different, but displacement is unique. Displacement is always unique. Another example we will take. Let an object start from A, cover 4 kilometers due east and reach at B. Then it moved 3 kilometers due north. This is east direction, west direction, north direction, and south direction. Another same body start from A, covers 4 kilometers due east, and then from B it covers 3 kilometers due north and reach at C. Now what is the total distance covered by the body? Total distance is AB plus BC, 4 kilometers plus 3 kilometers, 7 kilometers. What is displacement? Displacement is the shortest path between initial position A and final position C, and it is the shortest path. AC is the shortest path. How can we find AC? You know the Pythagoras theorem in class 8. Displacement AC. It is a right angle triangle. This right angle triangle, in this right angle triangle, AC is the hypotenuse, AB is the base, and BC is the perpendicular. We know by Pythagoras theorem, H square equal to P square plus B square. And H is equal to root over P square plus B square. So, AC, to find AC, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square, 4 square plus 3 square, 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9, root over 25, that is equal to 5 kilometers. Here distance covered by the body is 7 kilometers and displacement is the 5 kilometers. We will take another example. Let us consider a circular path. This circular path has radius 7 meters. What is the circumference of circle? Formula. Circumference, to find circumference, formula is 2 pi r. This is circumference of the circle. Let a body start from A, through B, reach at C. What distance it covered? Distance covered is a half circumference, but semi-circumference or semi-perimeter of the circle. Semi-circumference equal to 2 pi r by 2. Pi r. So distance is equal to pi r. Means 22 by 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 22 meter is the distance covered. When a body start from A, through B, reach at C, it covers the semi-circumference. Semi-circumference equal to circumference by 2. That is pi r. Pi equal 22 by 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 22 meter is the distance covered. Then what is displacement? What is displacement? Displacement is initial position A and final position C, A to C. Displacement AC, and AC is the diameter of the circle. Diameter equal to 2r. Radius is 7 meter. 2 into 7, 14 meter. When a body start from A, through B reach at C, distance covered in this case, because the radius is 7 meter is given, distance is 22 meter and displacement is the diameter, that is 14 meter. Let's have the body through B reached C, then he reached O. And A to B, B to C, and C to O again. The distance covered, this is pi r and this is r. Pi r plus r. Pi r is 22 meter, r is 7 meter, 29 meter. Displacement, the case 1, this is case 2. Case 2. Displacement is A to O. AO. AO is the radius, that is 7 meter. Understand? Now, case 3 will take. Let the body start from A, through B, reach at C, then to O, then to again A. A to B, B to C, C to O, then A. What is distance covered? Distance covered is equal to, this is pi r and this is diameter 2r. Diameter equal to twice of radius, pi r plus 2r. Pi r equal to, we get 22 meter. And diameter equal to 7 plus 7, 14 meter. 36 meter is the distance. What is displacement? In this case, the initial position of the body is A and the final position of the body also A. So, displacement is 0. Displacement is 0. Let case 4. A body start from A, reach at B, then it comes to C, through D, it again comes to A. A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. Then total path covered, that is distance. Distance is the total circumference. Distance is the total circumference. 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 44 meter. But displacement initial position of the body is A, final position also A. So displacement between initial position and final position is 0. Understand? Distance and displacement. We will take third example. First example, we discuss about how we can find the hypotenuse. Second example, in a circular path, how can we find distance and displacement? Then we will take another example. Example 3. Let a body start from A, traverse 40 meter due east and reach at B. Again, it comes back along same path and covers 90 meter. A to B is 40 meter and B to C 90 meter. In this case, we will find distance and displacement. Total path covered by the body is called distance, and the shortest distance between initial position and the final position of the body is called displacement. Distance covered AB plus BC, 40 meter plus 90 meter, 130 meter. But displacement first he moves from A to B, then it comes back along same path, means negative. AB plus minus BC. This is vector. 40 meter plus minus 90 meter. That equal to 40 minus 90. That equal to minus 50 meter. Here distance 130 meter. Displacement becomes negative here. Another example we will give, and that will be the last example. Then in the next lecture we will study about the speed and velocity and average speed, etc. Take an example, example 4. This is example 3. Example 4. Let us suppose a body starts from A, covers 2 kilometers, due south. From B, it covers 3 kilometers, due east and reach at C. From C, it covers again 2 kilometers, due south and reach at B. Understand this question? The body starts from A, covers 2 kilometers, due south and reach at B. From B, it covers 3 kilometers, due east and reach at C. From C, again it covers 2 kilometers and reach at D. In this case, distance covered AB plus BC plus CD. Total path 2 plus 3 plus 2, 7 kilometers. What is displacement? Initial position is A, final position D. We have to find out the length of AD. How can we find this AD distance? To find AD, produce B to E such that CD is equal to BE and join D. Now you see this AED is right angle triangle, and from this right angle triangle we can find this is the hypotenuse. If we find the hypotenuse, then we can know the displacement. Here CD is equal to BE. CD 2 km, also BE 2 km, and it is a rectangle. BC is equal to DE. BC 3 km, DE also 3 km. So displacement AD equal to AE square plus DE square. AE equal to 2 plus 2. AB plus B equal to AE. AE equal to AB plus BE. 2 plus 2. 4 km. So 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9. 25. Square root of 5 km. Distance covered by the body is 7 km. Displacement is 5 km. Now I think you can well understand what is distance and what is displacement. In the next lecture we will discuss about speed. Dear students, if you like my channel, please do subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.